all know, and I'm sure everyone can agree in the room, that all of these have talent. They all have talent. They all deserve to be there where they are tonight. And every single one of them are worthy winners. They really, really are. And I want everyone to remember that, because we have 3 fantastic talents here and we can only pick one to represent. But it does not take anything away from the other 2, alright guys? Now that was a very difficult decision, as everyone can imagine, but we have come up with a decision and I'm about to announce it right now. Now just before I do, I want to make sure you all know that all of you on the stage do get recording time from this. Now the person who does go on to represent will get a full album, a photo shoot and 5 music videos. Now the 2 that don't go on to represent, you still get recording time. You get 1 track and a full music video to do in your own time. Alright, all 3 of you, alright? So, here we go. This is the end of Talent Search Cymru Season 1. Are we ready? No? Right then, 3 exceptional talents on the stage. Now when I announce this result, we are going to come to you and we're going to have a chat with you. Me and Kelly are going to have a chat with you all individually about your journeys and stuff, alright? So don't rush off or anything. Everyone needs to be proud. Here we are. The person that we have decided to represent this season of Talent Search Cymru and the Overs category is... Macey Louise Brown! Well done, Macey. You are the new representative of Talent Search Cymru, and congratulations to you. Now what we're going to do first, I really want to speak to Jack and Emily, because guys, they deserve a round of applause. Let's be honest, all of them on that stage are amazing. Every single one of you. Look at this standard here. This says it all, this standard. You're not in a category with 2 weak people and that. Every single one of you are strong. That goes to say a lot about yourselves. Alright, so everyone remember that. So Kelly, do you want to say, we talk to Emily first. What would you like to say to Emily?
Can I just say how much fun I've had with this category? It's just been amazing. We've met absolutely lovely people, and I hope that you'll continue to sort of like be a part of Talent Search Cymru and a part of my life, because I honestly treasure each and every single one of you. And oh, I don't know, I feel really quite emotional now that it's over. And I don't make the rules, but if I did, I would have crowned every single one of you, because I love you all to bits, and I've genuinely had such a blast this season. I don't know what to say. I'm sort of like speechless.
They've made it really hard. That's what you need to say. Every one of them made it difficult. Yeah. Literally, this could have been any of you tonight. That's how close it was. Like literally, I want you all to walk away from this as winners, because all of you smashed this tonight, and literally, you've made it really difficult for us. So honestly, you should be proud.
I think you've each brought something different to the competition.
Definitely.
Like Emily, you've brought that, you know, you've got that rock chick, powerful, you know, you've just got that vibe going on. And then Jack, you've got this really amazing creativity and this uniqueness about you. And Macey, you've just brought the versatility every week. And I hope, Emily and Jack, that you don't see this as a setback, you see this as a step up.
Not.
Because use this as a stepping stone. This is not the end of your journey. This is the beginning of your journey. And I'd work with you both if you'd be, you know, happy to work with me. I don't want to insult you by saying I'd work with you, but I will, you know. No, I'm being serious. I don't want to be like, I haven't got a head like this. You know, but I would like to work with you. I would look forward to doing that. And I'm really excited for you, because there's so much more than this now. There's so many more projects you can do. There's so much. There's recording you can do. You can push yourself. You can get yourself out there. And I'm just so thankful that you came to Talent Search Cymru and we were able to be a part of it, because we are there now. You know, you can't get rid of us. So we're there. Any help you need, any advice you need, you know, you just gotta inbox us, whatever, we're there. But congratulations, look at the people who've left this competition. And you're the last 3 standing. That is insane. that's an achievement, that's huge. And you should all just be beaming, you know. I didn't even make it this far, I was fourth. Just please.
Yeah, but again...
I mean, just letting you know, we did not make it this
Yeah, but you
far.
was in talented finals like these. You can't help it if everyone's talented, can you? You know? No,
But we don't know to question. So, no, that's what I'm saying. Just be so proud of where you are and everything that you've done, because it's all a learning curve and a stepping stone, and you're all insane. Well done.
Like you then, didn't I?
Oh, let me put my mask back down. I mean, Kelly covered most of it. Honestly, Jack, I want to come against you. Your journey has been incredible. And like I said, you had your moments where you're still getting used to it and really believe in yourself there. But honestly, man, please realise where you're at and what you've achieved, because this is what it's all about. And the same with you, Emily. It's been amazing. Guys, this is celebrating your journeys. We've done it. We're at the end of it. Macey, we've done it. It's all done, guys, all right? So, like I said, I would more than happy, when we do get on with the next season, to have you back as guests. I'd love to have you as guests and things like that in future. Come in and record. You know what I am. Anything you need. But guys, don't stop. Take a break, but don't stop, all right? Because if you stop, that's when all your confidence will go again. So don't stop. If you feel like, oh, my confidence is dripping, just start singing in the shower or something. You know, but all of you deserve to be where you are tonight. Really, you really do. So, you know, can't say no more than that. Every single one of you are winners. You know, you're all winners. But this was tough. This was really, really tough. And it was very tough to make that decision upstairs. But that is the decision, and we're proud of you all no matter what. Because I don't particularly care who I did, to be honest with you. I really don't, because I still think you're all awesome. You know, so it doesn't make any difference in that sense, you know. But well done to you all. I think they deserve one big massive round of applause, guys. Well done to you all. So yeah, Macey, I just want to quickly come to you, of course. You are the new representative of Cymru. You should be proud of yourself, like all of you should be proud of yourself. That was difficult tonight, don't get me wrong. It was not easy. It was really difficult. But I think it all came down to the variety you've shown. Different styles, different techniques, and it's kind of kept us surprised. And the same goes for tonight. Takes nothing away from everyone's performances, because Jack, I genuinely believe that first performance of yours was the best I've ever seen you, ever. And I owe that to you. And Emily, the way you sang that, anyone, wow, like the power, you know? So every one of you have done amazing tonight. And you've got to remember, when you've got three incredible talents in front of you, and you've got to decide on one, it does come down to the nitty-gritty then. That's when we've got to look, oh, well, who's done this, and there's so much. But all of it, as a whole, have achieved so much, and I want you to know that, because we're all proud of it. And we're proud of you to have you in this talented Cymru family now, and, you know, we are here. Anything you need musically, we're here, all right? So congratulations to all of you for being here, and thank you for an amazing set. Well done to you all. All right? Round of applause for you guys.